what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're talking about the classic Eagle song, Tequila Sunrise. Okay, we got mostly open chords, standard tuning, but we do have one bar chord, so not for total beginners. Okay, so let's go with the intro before they start singing. They hang on a G to this chord, the G sus thing. So let's play G like this. Just third finger and pinky, and mute the A string if you can. And then we're going to use first finger and second finger and grab the B string and the D string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to talk about the strumming later. Kicks in A minor, first finger, second finger, third finger, D major, first, second, third, back to G. Okay, so now we covered the verses. So yeah, let's go with the intro. G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Band kicks in A minor. Start singing. D major. A minor. Let's talk about the rhythm a little bit. Down, and then it's going to be starts on E minor. Second finger, third finger, A string and D string. To C major. First finger, second finger, third finger. E minor. C major. Third time E minor. A minor. To D. Back to verse. A minor. And here's that little short solo over the verse chords. Bridge starts on A minor to D, and now we have a new chord. We got a B minor, B minor bar chord. So that's 2nd fret, all the strings except the low E. 3rd finger on the D4, pinky on G4, and 3rd finger on B3. E minor, and then A minor, B7, E minor, and then A7. Let's go with that again. So A7 is 2nd finger, 3rd finger. Okay, so here's a bridge. A minor, D major, B minor, E minor, A minor, B7, E minor, A7. Back to the verse part. One more time. Bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, it's 3 parts, right? It's a good thing to write down the chord changes and the form of the song. So verse G, D, A minor, D. It's the verses. Then we have the chorus: E minor, C, E minor, C, E minor, A minor, D. And then we have another verse, and then we got the solo. Solo is over the verse, and then we have the bridge. A minor, D, B minor, E minor, A minor, B7, E minor, and end on A7. Very cool songwriting. And again, last thing, the feel. Not a very typical strumming pattern. Fits the song really well though. So down, and then you have that glump bum, and then down, down. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. Take it easy. Be safe.